Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore newsletter growth with Beehiiv referral setup step by step clearly. To restore newsletter growth using Beehiiv's referral setup, start by logging into your Beehiiv account. Navigate to the dashboard where you will find various options to manage your newsletter. Look for the referral section in the menu on the left side. Click on Referral to access the referral program settings. You will see an option to enable or disable the referral program. Make sure to toggle the switch to enable the referral feature. Next, set up your referral program details. For instance, you might consider offering exclusive content, discounts, or free products. After determining the rewards, input these details into the provided fields. Choose a catchy and memorable URL that represents your brand. After that, create promotional materials to encourage signups. Design banners, social media posts, or email templates that explain the referral program. Monitor the progress of the referral program using the analytics provided by Beehiiv. As you gather data, assess which aspects of your referral program are working well. Use this information to make adjustments or improvements to the program as needed. Consider conducting periodic campaigns to keep the momentum going. This will help build excitement and encourage more participants. Finally, regularly update your rewards and promotional strategies to keep the referral program fresh and appealing. A well-maintained referral program can significantly impact your newsletter growth over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.